Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier to route insurance leads into Google Sheets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open a web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or sign up for a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located in the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type and select the app from which you want to receive insurance leads. Choose an appropriate trigger event that corresponds to your lead source, then click Continue. Connect your account by following the prompts, ensuring Zapier has the necessary permissions. Test the trigger to make sure it's pulling in data from your lead source correctly. Next, you'll be prompted to select an app for the action step. In the search bar, type Google Sheets and select it from the drop-down list. Choose the action event, Create Spreadsheet row, and click Continue. Connect your Google Sheets account by authenticating with your Google credentials. Select the specific Google Sheet where you want to route your insurance leads. Map the fields from your Trigger app to the columns in your Google Sheet. Make sure to fill in all required fields to ensure successful data transfer. Test the action by clicking the Test and Continue button to verify that data is being sent to your Google Sheet. Review the test results to confirm that the information. Once you're satisfied with the test, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Your Zap is now set up to automatically route insurance leads into Google Sheets. You can return to the Zapier dashboard to manage and monitor your Zap at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.